Hello students, today let us study chapter 2 Introduction to Computer Graphics. Students, you have seen the movie The Jungle Book, which is fully of animated around a human being. The animals and the forest, those are all animated. So the Jungle Book is basically a computer animated movie with a real actor at its center. But the beautiful jungle and all the animals were computer generated. So you have seen that movie where the one person was only the real human being and all the forest animals were computer generated. The process of creating still or animated visual contents using computer is called computer graphics imagery or CGI. So where the visuals, that is, it may be still, that is like a forest which is not moving, or an animated like how the animals are moving. So these are all computer generated, created using computers. So it is called as computer graphics imagery, or just you can say it as CGI. A single or series of images created using computer are called computer graphics or CG. So it may be a single image or series of image. They are created, if they are created using computer, then it is called computer graphics or just by CG. They are visual representation of data displayed on a monitor and made on the computer using specialized graphic hardware and software. So these graphics, that is, which are created using computer and made to display on the monitor, is done by using graphic hardware and software. Let us see what are the uses of computer graphics. Uses of CG. Computer graphics are very useful. Today, almost every computer and smart device are controlled and operated through icons and pictures rather than by typing commands. So, in your computers or in your smartphones, the app icons are with an image. They have an icon, that is, they are represented with an image, like gallery, WhatsApp. So all have an image. Instead of just in text, they could have given it as WhatsApp, but they have represented through an icon. So that are all computer graphics. Here are few areas where computer graphics imagery is extensively used. Entertainment, movies and video games. So in the video games which you people play are all computer generated, created through computer. All are graphics. And the movie, like I said before, The Jungle Book, and the most popular movie, maybe you have heard it, Bahubali, it is made up of graphics. So computer graphics are used in the entertainment field. Next, computer program development, software development tools. For the software development tools, these computer graphics is being used. Scientific modeling, meteorological and space research. So in the space research, before, like, their planning is all done through graphics. Maybe it may be like this may be like this, here the place may be like this. So they are all done through graphics. Desktop publishing, brochures, banners. So the banners which you see, the images or the any printings on the banner, they are all done through computer graphics. Next, visual art, logo, cartoon, painting. So that is what the cartoon which you watch are all computer graphics. In painting also you see the computer graphics. Next, education, visual aids for explaining concepts. So in your smart rooms they'll show you through visual videos. So for that they've used in the field of education. This computer graphics is very useful. Then design, graphic design, web design, user interface design, computer aided design for engineering and architecture. So it for the engineers, for designing the engineers use this computer graphics. Next, simulation, pilot training and scientific research. So to train the pilots, they do a computer graphics. The area may be like, it may be covered with the clouds like this, like that. So to visually show them, to train them, they use computer graphics. Then cartography, graphs, maps, charts. So the maps, charts and maps which you see, the Google map, are all done using computer graphics. Image processing, medical treatment, satellite image enhancement. So image in the medical treatment, so the report which you get, the scanning report, are all done through computer graphics. Turn the page. Next, what is a pixel? An image that is presented on the computer screen is made up of pixels. So the picture which you see on your monitor is made up of pixel. Pixel stands for picture element. The picture element, that is pix, you say pix, right? So it is represented as x, pix element, picture element. The screen consists of a rectangular grid of pixels arranged in rows and columns. A pixel can be identified by a pair of integers, the column number and the row number. So the pixel of an image can be identified by the pair of integers, that is by what is the column number and the row number. Pixel is the basic unit of programmable color on the computer display or in an computer image. At a given time, each pixel can show one color. So this pixel, it is the basic unit of any color on your computer display which displays any image, or that is this pixel. Through pixel it is shown on your monitor, or at a given time each pixel can show only one color. Next, resolution. Resolution is a measurement of the quality of the images. Resolution of the image depends on pixel count and pixel density. So this resolution is the measurement of the quality of the image which is being displayed. This resolution depends on the pixel count and the pixel density. Next, resolution is identified by the width and height of the image as well as the total number of pixels in the image. So this resolution is identified by the width and height of an image as well as the how much total number of pixels of that image. For example, an image that is 2048 pixels wide and 1536 pixel height. So it is written as width into height, contains 3,145,722 pixels or 3.1 megapixels. So the height and width when you multiply, so it has these many pixels, that is 3.1 megapixel. Camera resolution are normally measured in pixel counts. In case of digital display, resolution is specified in ppi, that is pixel per inch, and in case of printer, resolution is specified in dpi, dots per inch. So when you take any image in your camera, it is measured through the pixel count. Like digital display means that is specified by pixel per inch, or if you print any image, that resolution is specified by dpi, dots per inch. Thank you.